Alright, so let's take a look at tutorial number 2. We'll start out by doing this in Sibelius. We're opening it up. We're going to start a new score. We're going to use the score setup. We'll use piano and set it to A4. We do not need to change the house style at this time. Then we're going to set the meter to 4/4, and we will make sure that we add our pickup measure here. Next key, we're going to pick the key. We know it's in B flat major, so we'll pick that. And then we'll go ahead and put in our tutorial information too. The composer is me. Don't really need a copyright. Don't need a title page, and we are ready to finish. Alright, our next step will be to enter in our notes. Okay, we have our key signature, we have everything, so we're all ready to go. We'll go ahead and select the quarter note using the 5 key, or actually the 4 key, to get us to the quarter note. And we're loaded here, and so we'll go ahead and enter the first note this way by mousing it in. And then from there on, I'm going to go ahead and play them in. So there's my first part. Let's go down. Oops. Okay, we'll go now and enter the tenor line in. Since I've already in this one voice, I might as well go ahead and do that. Let's see, there's something there. So we'll have to go back. I see. I have this one key that doesn't work so well on my keyboard here. Five. Alright, now we're going to switch to voice 2. And we will go ahead and enter in the first note of the alto voice, and you'll see that automatically they change to the next. The stems start changing as soon as you start it. Oops. I have to change my octaves here. And then finally we'll go ahead and enter in the bass line. It's being a little ornery, Mike. Switching. There we go. There we go. Alright, so the notes are entered. So next step is to go ahead and enter in our analysis, or we can actually, maybe let's go ahead and clean things up just a little bit first. We'll use the escape key to get out of there. If I want to get rid of these extra measures, so I'm going to command click, that's that, and then go all the way over here with a shift. That didn't work so well. Let's try that again. Okay, command click, and then shift click here, and then delete those extra measures. So now I have just the measures I need. Alright, now to create the chord symbols, I click on this, and then I use the chord symbol tool. I can press command K to do that, and it's ready to enter the chord symbols. And so I know what these are. We've done the analysis already. And so I'm just typing in the letters, and you'll notice that Sibelius does change the lowercase b into a flat. Okay, and done. Okay, so now we're going to enter in the analysis, and the analysis is done using the Create menu, Text, Other Staff Text, and Roman numerals. And we can click right on the note, and you'll see that it puts it in there. Now, if you know what it's supposed to be, you can just type it in. Oops, that wasn't supposed to be. Let's try that again, because it's not supposed to be a 1, it's supposed to be a 5. There, let's do that again. Sorry. Okay, so if you know your Roman numeral, just click on it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so type the 5. I can type the 1. Okay, but if you're not sure what it is, you can always right-click and go down and get it. And there's a 7 diminished, and then I need a 6. Okay, and so that's there. Okay, now I need a 1, 6. So see, you can type most of it in, but you can also right-click. And so 2, 6. Okay, 1. Now I don't know how I would do 1, 6, 4, so I will, oops. Okay, click on that note again, I lost that. You lose your place, you just simply click on it and just do it again. Okay, and so it's 1, and then I have to right click to get the 6, 4 right there. And then 5, 7. And you notice, see, it automatically moved the line down. That was a really nice little feature there. And there we're done. And so that's the entire tutorial.